I'm Braxton Evelyn, the beauty food chick. The question is, can you really defeat diabetes? Here's how healthy choices can make a difference. Today I'm sharing some smoothies and juices that are perfect for anyone with diabetes or just looking to live healthier. Join me, I just headed in my garden to pick some fresh ingredients. We're starting with an avocado spinach smoothie. Spinach for some people can be tolerated raw, but I always parboil my spinach first because raw spinach can be tough on the stomach, but lightly boiling makes it gentle and just as nutritious. For this smoothie, I've added bananas. Though they're naturally sweet, bananas have a low glycemic load, so they release sugar slowly, helping to avoid blood sugar spikes. I also added coconut water, like you saw in that video. Coconut water is packed with electrolytes to keep you hydrated and energized. Green smoothies are not yucky, irrespective of what you've heard about green smoothies. They are just so delicious. Can you really defeat diabetes? Next is an apple spinach smoothie with coconut water again. Apples bring fiber and antioxidants, while coconut water adds that natural electrolyte boost. Both make the smoothie refreshing and great for stable blood sugar. I hope you are gonna incorporate these smoothies to your diet. The third smoothie is a banana nut blend made with bananas, creamy yogurt, and cashew nuts for healthy fats. I also topped it with peanuts, which added a little extra body and nutrition. This blend is satisfying and perfect for those craving a balanced smoothie. Yes, at the end of the day, we are looking to balance our diet. Did you cite the peanut? Hang on, I'll show you. There it is. Next, we have a beetroot yogurt smoothie with chia seeds. Can you really beat or defeat diabetes? Beetroots are great for blood flow, and chia seeds are high in fiber, which helps balance blood sugar levels. Look at how beautiful that is. I hope again that you will incorporate one or more of the smoothies to your lifestyle. Finally, we make a juice. And in this juice, we have pineapple, celery, and apples. This combination provides fiber and nutrients to keep your digestion in check and offers a slightly sweet yet refreshing flavor. What am I going to do with the pineapple peel? I did not throw that out. I usually will use the pineapple peel for teas, and in that tea I will add cinnamon. Sometimes I add cloves. But hey, the journey is about staying healthy weight, and overall livelihood, well-being of your livelihood. Alright, human, let's do a quick recap of each drink. I hope the smoothies and juices encourage anyone with diabetes or those looking to be healthier to explore the benefits of incorporating them into your diet. Remember, they are simple, delicious, and great additions to a balanced lifestyle. Are you ready to give this a try? Remember, small changes can lead to big results. I hope this video is gonna help you achieve that. I'd like you to remember that taking even small steps toward healthier eating is a powerful choice you're making for yourself. You're not making this decision for anyone. I hear people say, oh, it's a lot of activities just to eat healthy. No, it's okay to feel tough. Change takes time, and every healthy choice, no matter how small, adds up. Give yourself grace on the hard days and celebrate the progress you make along the way. Healthy eating isn't about being perfect. It's about nourishing your body and showing yourself kindness. You're doing something strong and brave by choosing foods that help you feel your best. Keep going. Your body and mind will thank you. I'll see you in my next video.